Hi guys, my name is Ms. Banks. That was the look of almost defeat, but we are not gonna give up. It's like my 7th time recording this video, 7th time of messing up. So we're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work this time and see how it goes. Oh, all right. So this video is here to help you guys with understanding your assignment that goes with the reading that you're gonna read, with the story that we're gonna read today. The story is Catch the Moon, and I think you guys will like it a lot. But while you read, your awesome English teachers are gonna ask that y'all take notes on the characters. Okay, so something that's gonna be important to notice in your notes is the static and the dynamic character traits. So because it's probably been a little minute since y'all have heard those terms, I'm gonna review them for you real quick, okay? So each of you knows a person that has been the same, or at least has something the same about them since you've known them, and you could have known them your whole life, right? So that's a static character trait. That's something that stays stagnant, stays exactly the same. It doesn't grow, it doesn't change, right? But then you also know people who maybe like a chameleon, and they change based off of who they're around, or the situation that they're in, because maybe they've been in that situation before, so they know they've got to handle it in this way. So that is the difference between static and dynamic. So that would be a dynamic character trait in that individual. So if you think of the word dynamic, it has a Greek origin meaning force and power. So think of force and power in the body. Okay, so if you're lifting weights and you have this force and power in your arms, that creates change when that muscle builds, right? And you grow. So it's the same way. That word dynamic, that's always going to have that meaning. So that's what we mean when we're using it in regards to character traits, right? Yeah. That should pretty much have you covered. So as you read Catch the Moon, make sure that you take note of which traits stay the same and which ones change. So it can help you later in your assignment. Hopefully this was helpful. I might use this one even though there was a ton of mess ups, because, hey, we're all learning and we're all growing. This is going to be a dynamic year, huh? Bye, guys.